Hello there everyone, welcome to Shisha Creative. Today's project is going to be really colorful. These are quills and I'm going to use this to make a plant holder. So I have these two small plants here. They are still struggling to come out. I think it's because of the weather. But for the time being, since I'm going to keep it indoors, I want a better look for this. So I'm going to make a plant holder for this. Let's go and begin the project. The materials that we need for this project: cardboard sheet, quilling needle, quill, and some glue. Draw the base of the planter as the outline. Draw an outer circle, leaving a space of 1 centimeter so that we can comfortably stick the quills. Cut out the circles and check the size with the base of the planter. Important precaution for quilling: use gloves to avoid paper cuts. Now we can take different colors of quills, join them together, and when you attach 2 or 3 quills together, you can start rolling them. Roll the quills patiently so that they don't get detached. Stick the edges with glue. The quills can be made with different colors and different sizes, and then you can stick them together. After quilling as many quills needed for the planter's size, we can start sticking them on the base, that is the cardboard that we had already cut and kept. Stick the quills one on top of the other without any change in the size or the shape of the circle. Once the glue has dried, we can place the plants inside the plant holder. Hope you liked this video. Like, share and subscribe if you like my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.